Oh, look at that baby. Oh, interesting. The ocean just across the road. Crazy mad. Who is mad? Don't have any idea. Look at the setup here, babe. The design and everything. Wow, so unique. 7-Eleven. Look at that.
And then when you book there,
Ah, is that gelato? Oh yeah, that's correct. That's a giant gelato here, baby.
oh sure.
And this. What is this? Wow. Virtue Bar and Eats. M Sushi. Beach Bar and Grill. Hello, little buddy here. Interesting, babe.
There's two.
Oh yeah. Hello, the other one. How are you doing there? Look at that, this babe. Mooloolaba Beach, just across the road over there. Wow. Look at this. The peninsula. Is that the resort, baby?
Yep, sure is.
Oh, wow. The coffee club.